speaks about. You're a Christian.
But I called 911 and they came right away.
Oh, can you take Faith upstairs now and get ready for bed? You sure everything is?
So stuffed up he can't even breathe through his nose.